Hi there, I'm Sheelaa, I'm Bajaj. Okay, I have a lot of people wanting to know how to cleanse their house on new moon. It's very important and very imperative that you cleanse your house during new moon. Now, a lot of people don't really teach you how to cleanse your house, or they just tell you put sage, put this, put that. But each herb has its own magical properties of how much energy it can cleanse. For example, let's say you have dirty clothes. You just put soap and it gets cleaned. But let's say you have an oil stain. Then you need something stronger, right? You need something that can, like a degreaser. So let's say you're wiping your kitchen down and you have, a lot of grease. Then you put a degreaser and then you wipe it down and it's fine. And then sometimes it's very, very old grease and it doesn't go just like that. So then you need something stronger. And you need something to like really cut through all that muck. So cleansing your house is a very intense process. I'm going to tell you some simple stuff that you can do, not the complicated stuff. First, get yourself some camphor and put it on diffuser. Okay, so you're not burning the camphor, but you're putting it on the diffuser. That's something that you can always do. The house smells great, cleanses the house, awesome. But I'm going to teach you another technique of how to cleanse your house, and some simple herbs that you can use, most of which you can buy on my online store or Amazon. So first, get yourself some frankincense. Okay, it's now available on my online store, so you can get frankincense. It's a resin. It is one of the most powerful resins available. So get frankincense, get myrrh. Okay, myrrh is again, frankincense and myrrh was given by the three wise men to Jesus, given as a gift when Jesus was born to Mother Mary. I hope I'm getting the story right. But if you go and look at, the three gifts given by the three wise men, it was frankincense, myrrh and gold. So frankincense and myrrh is also used in churches and a lot of different healing rituals. So you can get frankincense, you can get myrrh, you can use rosemary, you can, put a lot of mustard, you can put sage, and basically, burn it in your house. Sage is very, very cleansing. All right. I tell people that if someone is doing a lot of psychic attack on you or black magic on you, get something more intense done. You can get something called a killer BLR done at home. It's like how when you go move into a house, you get like a puja or something done. So killer BLR is basically consecrating the space in your house and getting shielding and protection for your house whilst also, cleansing it. So you can get a space clearing, ritual done in your house. You can do this, what I asked you to do every single day. And you can add bay leaves in this concoction. You can also add some eucalyptus oil. You can add sandalwood oil. You can add frankincense oil, myrrh oil. You can add BMR oil that's available on my online store, shop.sheelaa.com. So every time you add something to this concoction, it's just going to make it better. You can also add hing, asafoetida. So every time you add one ingredient that's a banishing herb, you're going to see the effect is different, more powerful. It's like adding something to your, it's like cleaning on different levels and different layers. Not every energy is cleansed by sage. Like you can put some dragon blood oil in it. Oh my God, next level cleansing. And if you feel strange presence in your house, you can also put something called an END herb. We have a special herb which is called END, which basically removes entity and demons, and it removes all kinds of negative spirits from your house, and it brings positive, angelic energies in your house. Now, whilst you do this cleansing, you can play one of my healing frequencies, all right? Especially the ones that are the angel frequencies or the abundance gates. You can play that in the background. This cleansing is going to go to a whole new level. So if you have any questions, do comment below. I want to know your questions. I know that my videos are like one jalebi and one, whole biryani, because I just have all this information in my head. I don't plan my content. I don't plan what I'm going to say. I just put on the video and I start talking. So if you have any questions about this, I'm happy to answer it for you. Please comment. Make sure you share this with other people because everyone benefits from this. help spread consciousness and good energy in the world. So share this and do subscribe to my channel, because I want to change people's lives, through doing these videos, even if you can't actually get any one of our services done. Okay, and if you want to join our group and consult with one of our readers or get healing, you can go to tarot.sheelaa.com. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye guys, happy new moon.